It's time now for Chinese food.
How do egg rolls sound?
Yum.
They sound hard to do yourself, but
Exactly.
Chef Plum is here and he claims that we can do this. Hi, Chefy.
Hi, Chefy.
Hey, what's happening, guys? How are you?
Good. How are you?
I am living the dream, and I'm excited to show you how simple egg rolls can be. You can make at your house.
Okay, I'm ready to go.
You know, it's one of those things I think people see and they're like, "Oh, those are great. I wish I could make those," or "Oh, I never realized I could make those." Well, you can. It's really, really, really easy, and I'm going to show you. So basically, at your grocery store, you've got these guys right here, right? You can see they are egg roll wrappers. So it looks like this. It's basically a thin pasta sheet, essentially, right? So you look how thin this is. It's a thin pasta sheet, right? And I'm going to show you how to roll it up. Now, the trick is you could think, I could slice up a bunch of vegetables. I could cook chicken. I could cook pork. I could cook shrimp. Tell you what the easy way is? At the grocery store as well. See this?
Yeah.
This is an organic veggie slaw mix, Scott, right?
I love
Yeah,
that.
So-
that's great.
Like cabbage, carrots. It's really simple. So I use this, right? And then I'll show you. You can get all these sauces too. You can get like, you know, I'm not particular to any of these, but you got one like this, or you can get some of these sauces like this.
Sweet chili
What I like
orange.
to use, yeah, you can make your own as well. Garlic, ginger, scallion, soy sauce. You can do it that way. But I like to use is this ginger dressing I found at the grocery store. Okay,
Yum.
it's in the grocery store. It's kind of by the lettuces where they keep it cold. So let me show you how we make this filling. What we're gonna do is we're gonna take our veggie slaw bag here. Got it open. I'm going to put some of this. You can see on my overhead camera from space there. I'm just going to pour it right in the bowl. And then what I do is I add about a tablespoon or so of this dressing to that slaw mix, right?
That's that dressing
Just
they
about,
use
it's got,
at sushi restaurants, right? That's the dressing
Yeah,
they
exactly.
use at sushi. Okay.
so I'm just going to toss it up, right? And it gets coated all over the slaw mixture here, which again, carrots, cabbage, a little bit of broccoli shredded up. Now, what you want to do is let that sit for a few minutes because it starts to soften the vegetables a little bit. Got some right here, all ready to rock and roll, and you can tell it's ready to go because it'll have a little bit of a juice in the bottom of the bowl. You can see right there, that little bit of juice right there. That's great. That's what you want. So here's what we do. You're going to need a little tiny bowl of water, right? Just a little bit of bowl of water, and one of these, which is from our egg roll wrappers. So this is the easiest thing. Check this out.
Okay.
You're going to lay it like this, vertical like this. Then you're going to take a little bit of your filling. I use about a little more than a tablespoon. Go light at first until you get used to it, right? Then I'm going to take a little dab of water here on my fingertip. I just go down the lines on each side, right? Just on one side, here and here. Don't put it on the other side. And then we're going to take one corner. I'm going to fold it over and slide it towards myself ever so slightly, just a little bit. Then fold this corner over that you've gotten wet with that water. This corner over that's wet with the water, and just roll it up. And it sticks. Look at that.
Oh, how
How
cute.
easy is
It's like
that?
a
See
little
that?
present.
Exactly. Let
Wait,
me
now-
make one more to show you the other trick I can do with this. So what else we do is you're going to need a little bit of hot oil, right, for the way that I do these. If I can get my thing to light here, right? A little bit of hot oil. Now, the idea behind the hot oil is you want these to be crispy. That's the key, right? Everyone wants a crispy egg roll. You don't want a soft egg roll.
Okay.
So I'm going to get some oil hot here, and then I'm going to make this one up too and show you the other way. So I'm just going to, again, get the corners ready to go. Add about a tablespoon of our veggie slaw mixture right in the middle of it, just like this. And then roll it up. Bring that corner to the top. Slide it down.
Okay.
Other corner, and roll it up just like that. And that water that's on that little bit of wetness makes it stick. So one of the tricks I recently learned with this, okay, this is a little bit nuts. You can do these in the oven, okay? They don't come out as crispy, but you take a little bit of oil, brush it on there, and then I use a little bit of this cornmeal right on top so it doesn't stick. Put this in the oven at 350 for about 20 minutes. That's all you want to do.
Oh, if
Then you
don't
take your
wanna fry.
hot oil. This is the best way to do it. Take the hot oil pan here,
Yep.
and what we do is we just drop it in there, just like this. It'll start to crisp up on the outsides of it, all the way around. Use your tongs to flip it. Once this oil is hot, it takes about 2 or 3 minutes. It doesn't take long at all. And look how delicious these guys come out. Check this out. Beautiful, crispy, delicious. And we just cut it right in half. Put it on our plate. Then I'll use a little bit of the dressing we had here before, and we'll just garnish it with that. A little bit of dressing right on there. Do the chef schmear. Ready? Just like that.
Oh, there you
I love
go.
it. That looks amazing.
What about
there you
everyone's
go.
using air fryers? Would you put this in an air fryer?
100%. You could put it. I would have air fried if mine wasn't broken. Yes, an air fryer for sure. I would add a little olive oil on the sides of it, just like we did for the oven, to make sure it stays nice and crisp. Nice and crisp. Air fryer is a great call, Kara.
Thank
Fantastic.
you, Chef. Thank you, thank you, thank you. We appreciate it. Looks great.
You guys rock. We
Thank
appreciate it.
you.
Hey, don't forget, this week, check out Seasoned on CT Public. We're talking beers, all the great beers all over across our state. We'll see you Thursday.
Thank
Thanks,
you.
Chef.